Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, it's all about how to make money online, tips, tutorials, and website review. If you're new here, kindly like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, have you ever had a website that is called Redbubble? So guys, on today's video, I'll be showing you how you can know what the competitors or the competitor keywords that you can use to know what to design on Redbubble, and so that you can make more sales there. So let's head to it. Make sure you watch until the end because I'm going to be showing you step by step of everything. So let's head to it. So the first thing that you need to do here, if you don't have an account on Redbubble, make sure you click on sell your art here. So after you click on sell your art, the next thing that you need to do here is to click to fill in your details. After filling your details, you can be able to sell. As you can see, you upload your designs to product in your shop. Customer find and purchase products they love featuring your design. Products are produced to order and shipped around the world. So the good thing about Redbubble is the things that you can sell here, they are so simple to make and you don't have to have any skill anyhow. So just come here. So the first thing that you can make that it's easy for anyone to make, it's stickers. So let's just click on stickers and then I'll show you. So as you can see here, laptops, there is laptop sticker, water bottle stickers, car stickers, helmet stickers, there is romancy girl pack. So as you can see, they are so easy, and the good thing about this, I'll be showing you what you can do to make them. They're so simple. As you can see here, you can sell one sticker at 139. So let's say you target of making 10 stickers a day. You can make more sales here if you are persistent in uploading your products, and also if you have money, you can choose to promote it so that it can be shown on the front page of Redbubble. So the next thing that you can create here that is easy to do, it's phone cases. Another thing that I will add here, let's say you have created a sticker. Do you know you can also add the sticker to your clothing? When you're uploading your product, you can add the sticker to be used. As you can see here, this is a sticker and then it's added on a t-shirt. So there is varieties of designs that you can add. You can add in women's clothing, t-shirt, hoodie, hats, there is water bottle, etc, etc. So make sure you watch my next videos because I'll be showing you how to create one by one. Also there is wall art. As you can see, so this one is for phone cases. So let's click on wall arts. As you can see, these are digital products created online. See, this is a digital, this is a digital, and also this one is a digital product. So the first thing that you need to do here is to have to know the keyword that you are going to use to create your products, or the keyword that have the highest competition in Redbubble, because you can't, although you can just decide to create any, just decide, let's say you want to create a cup, maybe you want to create anything that comes in your mind, but the best thing that you can do here is come here to Bubble Spider, click here on keyword research, then popular trends. So the next thing that we need to do here, and also if you know about Amazon, KDP, Amazon, etc, etc, also you can see here, you can use that to create your design. The first thing that we need to do here, we need to adjust this thread, but if you have a specific keyword that you have in mind or you have come across, you can input it here and search and see the traffic that it has. So the thread, we just need to drag it until it comes to green area like that. So you can choose maybe from 500 here to what you want. You can choose up to that. So the maximum competition you can drag it until to 15 or 2000 or 500. So let's go with 1000. So you can see here there is dark Brandon meme, dairy cow isopod, Miwi, Haman, chemical romance. These are the trading one. They are not the trading, but they are among the trading. So we just need to scroll. You can choose the one that you want, then go to another website to create your design. And if you don't have an idea on what you can create, you can come here on Fiverr and then search for anything design. So let's say you want to specialize in t-shirt design. So let's just scroll. So you can choose to use a web designer or a t-shirt designer here on Canva. As you can see here, let's say this one, I'll make vintage retro t-shirt design for you. Also, there is one, I'll create unique customer vintage illustration. But the good thing about Redbubble is there is no need maybe for you to pay a designer here on Fiverr. You can choose to do on your own if you don't have a capital to do that, because there are so many free websites, there are so many AI websites that can generate the images for you, and you can be able to create. So the next thing that the next website maybe you can use to create your design, it's Canva. This is the free website that you can use to create a sticker, you can create a wall art, a phone cases art. Also, you can use other free websites to generate images, example for phone cases. So there is so many things that you can do here on the internet. So let's just scroll. The first thing that you need to do here, you can come here and search for a sticker size. Let's say you want to create a sticker, you can choose a square one, 100, and also you can choose to come here to custom size and input 3 by 3. So for this one, it's inches. So let's import 3 by 3. And you click on create a design. So it's just that simple. So guys, I hope this is going to help you, and maybe it's going to make you take that action to start creating digital products to sell online. Even if you don't have any skill, even if you don't you're not accepted to other money making websites online, you can choose to create your own design. And the good thing about this thing is you can you generate income passively. So make sure you watch my next videos. I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to create a sticker, how to create a wall art. I created a coloring book that I showed you in my previous video, so you can check that out. So guys, that's it. See you in my next video, and I hope this is going to help you.